teaching you how to do it, right? And she's like a rock star when it comes.
See, because monsoon means जब बारिश आती है तो पहली चीज़ जो हम सोचते हैं वो है भजिया और चाय. This is my patent. I just love it. क्योंकि वेदर अच्छा हो जाता है, थोड़ा कूल डाउन होता है तो गरम गरम भजिए खाने में बहुत मज़ा आता है. क्यों? समझ में आया?
Yeah.
हाँ, आया. तो चलो बनाएं.
As usual,
Put it in the bowl.
Just how
So these don't touch it. Just put it in. Put it inside the bowl.
आणि हे
हाँ.
2 onions.
These are 2 onions, thinly sliced. Then pick that up. That is besan. It's 2/3 cup besan.
This is chickpea flour. So just spread it all around. Yeah.
Then that's rice flour, which is 2 tablespoon rice flour.
This is 2 tablespoons.
2 tablespoon rice
And
flour.
these are pre-calibrated. So we have the recipe will be in the comments below.
Salt to taste. Let's see how much salt you put. Yeah.
Okay, next.
आधा teaspoon haldi.
I don't think this is a teaspoon.
And he
Yeah, that's good.
color yet though. He's a little different that way.
It's weird because she doesn't have any spice tolerance, yet she's the one who's Maharashtrian.
I know.
Like full Maharashtrian.
Half a teaspoon of ginger.
Like half a teaspoon.
Yeah. I love ginger. इसके बहुत फायदे हैं ginger के. Just put that, just a 1 chili chop. You can put as many chilies as you like.
Just hold
to
it.
taste. Yeah, you can put it.
1 serrano chili.
Why not?
And this is baking soda. So just a pinch of baking soda.
Okay.
Little,
Yes.
I think little
Now
more.
take a spoon
Just a little. Bas, bas.
Little pinch?
Yeah. There. Bas.
and some oil.
And just sprinkle a little oil. Little. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Or
Careful.
just sprinkle from a squeeze bottle, right?
Yeah.
And now you just here. It's okay. Just stir the whole thing now.
But it's
Fold it like
I don't
from
really
the
know
bottom
why
up.
you'd be like
Mom's
squeezing
saying-
on holes.
yeah. Yeah, from bottom up. Yeah, there you go.
So it all mixes together. It needs to be a little more orange though, right? Don't you think?
No,
If
this
you
is
put
fine.
enough, it'll be heavy.
Okay. Now after it's rested, you can add a little water.
So how much water is that?
Just sprinkle it. I mean, you.
have to pour that faster, otherwise.
Is it
No,
just
no,
half
no.
a cup or a quarter of a cup?
It depends on how the onion has reacted. You know.
The water comes out from under. Right?
There. Now, just churn it, and we'll see if we need more water.
I love personifying onions. That's brilliant.
Okay, I think it's done. Can I
See
just?
all of that?
Yeah, that's delicious.
Maybe needs a little more salt.
Okay, we didn't put a third teaspoon.
Away from the pan, it's hot. Okay, see this? This sticks professional.
Just roll it.
And how long do you cook it?
You have to keep a watch on it. Where's the thing?
How long do you cook it?
But ते बघायचं लक्ष ठेवायचं त्याच्यावर.
Yeah, but
Put it in.
What am I looking for?
Like it turns brown. Turn it over. Those two.
And don't drop it from up top because the oil will splash. And don't lift it out of the pan. This lesson I learned with fried eggs, that if you try to flip them too early, they fall apart and they end up scrambled eggs.
Yep.
So the number of times I created scrambled eggs when I was trying to make fried egg is, too many. This is like the gold standard of pakoras for monster. You gotta turn
To make sure you drain all this and then turn it off. So the extra oil